Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the expansion tank on this Peugeot 207. This is 2010 model. The reason why we are changing the expansion tank is because it's leaking. So the joint here is leaking. So to start off with, what we're going to do is we're going to cut the zip tie so that we can move this harness on this side. We're going to move this harness on this side so that it doesn't come in the way. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this pipe here. So just going to press the clips on both sides and pull the pipe out. That's the small pipe out of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to release the clamp here. You got two clamps. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a small chisel to press here like that, and then pull it towards us. So that's this side clip is released, and then we're going to do the same on the other side, which is just here. There we go. Just going to pull the bottom. There we go. So that's the bottle out of the slot here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to disconnect the bottom hose. So the way it gets connected is by this clip. So what we're going to do now is we're going to twist this clip anti-clockwise like that, and then it's going to pull the pipe out. There we go. There we go friends, this is the old expansion tank. You can clearly see that it's been leaking from this area here. So the way the bottom pipe gets secured onto the expansion tank is via this clip here. So what you do is now it's locked and now it's unlocked. So we're going to keep it in unlocked position while we fit the new expansion tank onto this Peugeot 207. Here's our new expansion tank. It costed us £20 from our local auto part shop, so we're gonna fit that in. It's a like for like. It didn't come with the new coolant lid, so we're gonna use the old one, which is just here. Right, so the way we're gonna fit the bottom pipe is like that. So just gonna push it all the way in. There we go, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna twist the clip clockwise to lock it in place. So now it's fully locked. It's not gonna pop out now. So the way bottom clip fits in is like this. So what you do is you just force it down and then slide it like that into the slot. Okay, so this side first, and then the small side just gets clicked in automatically. Right, so just gonna push the expansion tank clips in the slot here, and for that we're gonna use a chisel, small chisel, to force the clips in like that. There you go, just like that. And then this side, there we go friend. There we go. It's not gonna go anywhere now. That's nicely home. Right, so we're just gonna remove this clip, and we're gonna use cable ties instead to secure the harness, which is here, just like that. There we go. So just gonna cut the tie from here. That's that, nicely secured. Then we're gonna push this pipe here. Just like that. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it up with coolant. Here we go, friends. We have filled up the expansion tank with fresh coolant. So we're just gonna replace the lid. We are using the same cap what we took out from the old expansion tank, the one which was leaking. There we go, friends. Job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.